Hello everyone. So this is a question of GATE 2014 which came for 2 marks. It was set 2. It was paper number set 2 from the year 2014 and it came for 2 marks. So here as we can see the question, first we need to read the question and recognize. For any exam, first we need to read the question and we should know from which subject it is, right? So the question we read as an effluent of a flow rate of 2670 meter cube per day from a sewage treatment plant is to be disinfected. The laboratory data of disinfection studies, see here the word sewage treatment, right? Just due to this word only we can say, and the disinfection is also there, we can say that it is from the subject environmental science, right? Now the data further says that the laboratory data of disinfection studies with chlorine dosage of 15 milligram per liter yield the model NT equal to N0 e to the power minus 0.145 t, where NT number of organisms remain at any time t in minute and N0 is the number of initial organisms at time t equal to 0. The volume disinfection unit in meter cube required to achieve a 98% kill of microorganism. See, in this question they have already given the Chick's formula for disinfection. Now what is this Chick's formula that they have given here? That is, they have written here it as, so in general if I write the Chick's formula, that is NT is equal to N0 e to the power minus KT, right? Where NT is number of organisms remaining after any time t, and N0 is initial organisms, right? So here if we read the question, they have given the data as, see, we have given the data as 2670 meter cube per day, and by unit we can say this is discharge. So discharge is given, that is 2670 meter cube per day. It is in meter cube per day, right? Now from the sewage treatment plant it is to be disinfected, and they have given the chlorine dosage of 15 milligram per liter. So the dosage they have given as 15 milligram per liter, right? Now if we see, and they are asking, what they are asking is 98% kill of organisms, right? So see, this N0, if we say, if it is like 100%, initially the organisms were 100%, and after some time, that they haven't mentioned, but after some time the remaining organisms are, percentage of the remaining organism is 2%. Why? Because 98% organisms are removed. That only they have said, that to achieve a 98% kill of microorganism, so they have to kill 98% microorganisms, so we are remaining with 2% only, right? So if we have so I can say, if I have 100%, that means 1, so I'll be having 0.02 remaining, right? So in this formula, if I write that, here they have mentioned k also. From this, if I compare, so k will be equal to minus, and that is 0.145, right? So if I apply this here, and t is equal to n naught e to the power minus kt. Now nt is 0.02 equal to n naught is 1 into e to the power minus k. K is 145. K is 145 into t. See, now if I take log on both sides, so I'll be getting, so this is 0.145, not 145. So if we divide it by 0.145, we get the answer 3. Yeah. So we get 3.91 divided by 0.145. That is actually time will be 26.96 minutes, right? They have given the answer. This data is given in which time is in minute, right? So the time which came here is in minute. Now if we want to calculate the discharge, see this, we want to calculate the time here. We want to calculate the volume of the disinfection unit, and we have given the discharge here, and now we have calculated the time also, that at what time it will be cleaning all the 90% of microorganisms. So 98% microorganisms are killed in time, that is 26.96 minutes. And now if I want to calculate how much volume it took, so the volume will be, I have given the discharge. This discharge will be equal to what? Discharge is nothing but volume divided by time. So from here time will be here volume will be equal to discharge into time, and discharge is 2670 meter cube per day, right? And we have time, that is 26.96 minutes, right? And to convert this minute into days, what we can do is 60 into 24. So this is converted into days now. Now if we calculate into 2670 divided by 60 divided by 24, this is actually the volume that came here, which is 49.99. So we can approximately say as 50 meter cube. So the volume that came is 50 meter cube. So the answer for this is, the disinfection value is 50 meter cube. They have asked the answer in meter cube, so we have given the answer in meters cube. So I hope this question is clear to you all. We have studied a very important topic, that is disinfection in environmental engineering. In GATE, disinfection and basically this relation is useful in all the questions, and this is very important formula, and application of that will come from the PYQ questions only. So I hope this is clear. Thank you everyone.